Disclaimer, not intended for use for major tire damage. Always have tire inspected by a professional as soon as possible after repairs have been made. Extreme caution should be used while using tools to prevent injury. Obtain a T-handle repair kit from your local automotive store or at the link below. You'll also need a set of pliers, preferably needle nose. You'll also need soapy water for use later. Locate the embedded object and use the needle nose pliers to carefully remove it from the deflated tire. Be sure to use goggles as the object may pop out suddenly as demonstrated here. Now, using the T-handle tire reamer, carefully insert the tip into the hole. Using a twisting action while applying consistent hard pressure will slowly work the tool into the tire. Once penetrated all the way through, pull out the tool and then insert several times to ensure the hole is large enough for the plugging tool. Next, thread the plug string through the tire plugger until the string is at its halfway point. Then, carefully, yet with consistent downward force, insert the tip into the hole until there is just a small amount of plug string poking out of the top. Slowly removing the plugging tool from the tire should cause the string to be left inside the tire with only a small amount of sticking out of the top. If the tire string comes out, repeat the process again. If it comes out again, the hole is likely too large to be successfully patched. Take the pliers and snip off the leftover string. If that doesn't work, use another type of cutting utensil. Now inflate your tire to the proper PSI. To ensure there is no air leaking, take a rag and squeeze the soapy water over the plug. Any leaks will create new bubbles after squeezed onto the tire. No percolating bubbles means the seal is tight. Your repair is complete.